Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to fix power button not working problem in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. If power button is not working, then you cannot easily lock your phone and you cannot easily unlock your phone. Okay, so if you would like to fix this problem and if you would like to use alternate method to lock your phone, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to additional settings and go to accessibility and click on accessibility menu and turn on accessibility menu shortcut here and give all permissions, click OK. This is accessibility menu. Okay, if suppose power button is not working in your phone here, instead of, if you would like to lock your phone, instead of power button, just click on this accessibility menu icon and here just you will see lock screen option, just click it and screen will be locked. Okay, then to unlock your phone, what you have to do is first you have to set your settings. Okay, after setting this accessibility menu, then continuously set another one also. Okay, to unlock your phone, that is to turn on screen, what you have to do is go to settings, then go to additional settings and go to here gestures and motions and click on screen of gestures and turn on this button screen of gestures and make sure that double tap to wake or turn off screen is turned on. Okay, and yes, now if you would like to turn off or lock your screen, just click on it and here you will click lock screen. Okay, so using accessibility menu shortcut, you have locked your phone instead of power key. Okay, so to turn on your phone, to unlock your phone, what you have to do is just double tap on the screen and phone screen will wake up and now you can swipe up and enter your pattern to unlock. So in this way you can easily do or fix power button not working problem and you can use your phone normally. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.